Hello friends, welcome to TechLake video tutorials. In this ongoing Spark SQL continuous series videos, today video I'm going to cover two important classes, group by and having class. And next video we'll see more advanced in group by. And what is exactly group by class and having class, and when we will use and how to use. Let's look at with one example. I'm going to create one table here. It's a dealer table, or even we can go with the employee table. The beginning, which I have given the employee table data. Like I will show you the first data. It's an employee table and it is having some data. Looks like a table is not available. Create table on that location. User, hive, warehouse, employee. So in this location, already employee file, employee data is available. Just I'm creating a table on top of this. So today's session just to understand group by, aggregation functions, and having class. Aggregation functions and having class. This is employee data. You can find employee number, employee name, job, hire date, salary, commission, and department number. Okay. When it comes to aggregation functions, consider if you want to know how many records are there. Then you can go with the count star. So count star means, so the table, how many records are there. So aggregation functions, it will take input as a multiple rows. Output, it will give you single row. You see this 14. Like this, you can go with aggregation functions. Minimum, maximum, count, sum, average, standard deviation. So you can use these functions. Consider in this table, you can find one salary column. If you are looking for sum of salary, total salary, okay, so that is sum of salary as total salary. Just I'm giving alias name. Okay, this is total salary. You can say sum of salary. You can go with the count, number of records, total rows, and even you can go with the minimum salary as min salary, or max salary as max salary. So these are our aggregation functions, which it will take input as multiple rows and output will give you single row. Output will give you single row. Then when we will go with a group function, group by class, and we'll go with a group by class. So group by class requirement is grouping the data. Grouping the data mean if you are displaying data, like consider, I want department wise a sum of salary, total salary, department wise sum of salary. So here is the important thing which you need to understand. Aggregation functions will take you input as a multiple rows and output will give you single row. But here department number, if you go with just only department number, 14 records are there, 14 records you will get. 14 records you will get. You see this. 14 records, all department numbers. But when it comes to sum of salary, it's an aggregation function. So aggregation function input, it will take multiple records, output will give you single record. But here department number is giving a multiple record. So both are not matching. So both are not grouping. So for that you need to group together. Group together means take a unique values from this column, then take a sum of salary on those columns. So that is called group by class, group by department number. So sum of salary group on department number basis. So group on department number. So this is non-aggregated column. This is aggregated function. Sum is aggregated function. So non-aggregated column use in group by class. Then your sum, or you can say whatever aggregated column, group based on this column. Now it is grouping data. Department 10 is having this much sum of salary. 20 is having this much salary. 30 is having this much salary. So that is called group by class. Consider I want to go with job wise. Same thing, that column you need to specify in a group by class. Specify in group by class. So job wise, salesman sum of salary, clerks total salary, president total salary, manager total salary, analyst total salary. Now, in this data, I want to filter where salary is greater than 5,000. I want only those sum of salary greater than 5,000. So normally we will use a where class, where condition. But here sum of salary greater than 5,000 or greater than equal to 5,000 or greater than 5,000. So where class, it won't allow aggregation functions as a condition, because aggregation functions will come to the shuffling. Shuffling means after from class, after join, after where class. So aggregations will come in a separate shuffling area. So that's why aggregation functions won't allow directly here. Then how to use a filter, aggregation filter? For that we have another class called having class. So now you can use a having class aggregation filter. So now you see this having sum of salary greater than 5,000, only those you can see that, those you can see this, are equal to, greater than equal to. Okay, this is. Even when it comes to group by, you can give a column name or even you can give a position. Position means 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So how many columns are there in a non-group columns? The non-group columns you need to specify here position based. First column means 1, second column 2 like this. Even directly you can use column name. These two are group by class and having class. Whenever you are using aggregation functions, non-aggregated column, aggregated column you want to group, you need a group by class. Plus, if you want to filter data based on aggregation condition, you need a having class. You need having class. Okay, so this is about these two classes. This is about these two classes: grouping data with non-aggregated column and aggregated column, and grouping data plus filtering aggregation filter condition. And next video we will deep dive into group by class with the extension. So there are roll up and cube grouping sets are available, that we will discuss more detail into group by class. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in another video. Thank you.